Today we will start how to create Angular project with Bootstrap. So first of all, we will start our command prompt. Now we will go to our directory structure. Like I'm going to my home path, CD, then YouTube. Now this is my home path. Here I will create my first Angular application with Bootstrap. So to create an Angular application, we will write ng new and project name. So my project name is demo project project1, then press enter. Now it is asking, would you like to add Angular routing? So yes. Which style sheet format would you like to use? So we have different style sheet format like CSS, SCSS, SAS, less stylus. So we will go with CSS. Okay, enter. Now it is installing all the project files and dependencies. So till the time we will see what is Angular and what are the things we need to install the Angular project, to create the Angular project, and what is this Bootstrap. So first of all, to create the Angular project, we have to install the Angular first. So first we need to install Node.js from the official website. So we can search here Node.js. So this is the first link, nodejs.org. So this is the official link of Node.js. So we can download this current stable version of Node.js and we will install this Node.js. This will automatically install npm also. So after that, we can check, after installing, we can check the Node.js version. So we can write node-v. This will tell us that currently the 12th version of Node is installed. And to check the npm version, we need to type npm-v. So this will tell us the npm version. So it is 6.14.4. Fine. Next is we will see what is Bootstrap. So basically, Bootstrap is, we can search in Google. For now, we are installing Bootstrap 4. We will use the Bootstrap 4. This is the latest version of Bootstrap, and this is the basically most popular HTML, CSS, and JavaScript library. What it do? Basically, Bootstrap is the framework which is used to create uh, a basically responsive website. What is the meaning of responsive website? Responsive website means the website which can run on any screen like tablet screen, mobile screen, desktop screen, large desktop screens like this. So it will automatically adjust as a screen in this devices, in this screen size. Okay, lights, like we can see this website getbootstrap.com. This website is already developed in Bootstrap, so we can check here. So I'll try to do open this website in device. I'll just toggle this device toolbar, and now our this is, if you hover this, we can see this is the laptop screen, this is the tablet screen. Okay, so now we will click on the tablet screen. So this is how it will look in the tablet screen. This is the mobile screen, mobile medium screen, and mobile small screen. So you can see that we don't have created four websites for different devices. We just created one website which is friendly to all this screen size. It is automatically adjusting to all this screen size. This is basically a Bootstrap, the usage of Bootstrap. And one more thing it Bootstrap provide to us, that it provides us some built-in components with like this. If you click on this component in the documentation tab, you can see there are a lot of HTML CSS already comes with this Bootstrap framework, like some different types of alerts. Like this, you can see whenever we want to show the alerts, we can use this. So they provide this simple code structure also, with just we can write the class name, it will be converted like this. Like see, this is the alert primary. So this is the primary type of alert. After that, this is the secondary type of alert, this is the success type of alert. Like this how it is. So we can there are different mode, link color is available, so you can directly refer this documentation for all these classes. So this type additional content we can provide in this alerts. So like this we have badges, breadcrumb, buttons, button group. So we can just go to button once. So in buttons, you can see we have this 7 to 8 different kinds of button, like button primary, button secondary, button success, danger, warning, info, light, dark, link. So this is how it will look like: primary button, secondary buttons. And if you see, these are the different types of buttons available. Okay. And this is the outline button, like btn outline primary. This is the class which we, if we add, so this will convert it like this: secondary, success, danger. And we can also manage the size of the button, like large button, primary, secondary. btnlg is the class for the large button. So we can directly copy from here and paste in our project. So we can see the carousel also. So carousel is the slideshow component. Here it will provide a different slides, like we can show, this is the one slide, we can show one picture here, second slide we can show different pictures. So it will automatically slide, or we can also click here to make it slide. So this is the code they are providing. We will see how it is created later, but for now we will just copy this code and we can use it. So we can also give this type of indicators in the carousel. So now they are providing navbar also, like this. Navbar is just uh, you can see here, this is the navbar, the top level menu. We can, if you click on this arrow, this will just open up this pop-up. There's the search bar. So this type of navigation also they provide. We don't have to write any external code, we just copy this codes and we can paste in our project, so it will work directly. So they provide pagination also. So this type of paginations they also provide. We don't have to write any external CSS for this. So if you go to this toast, so we have toast also in our project. So this looks like this. Now we will see the next thing, tooltips. So these are the tooltips. When we hover, this will show up us like this pop-up. After that, we have some utilities also, like if you want to change the border, so we can write border top, like this we can control the border also. We can hide the border, we can just make it 0. We can define the border color also. So we have some different kinds of border colors, like primary, secondary, success, danger. And we can control the border radius also. We can also control this rounded lg, rounded sm. So you can see here this part you can see how much curve we want. And so after that we have this embed, display, flex, float. So this all things we have now. Okay, so we will see uh, our project is now created. Now we will see how the directory structure of our project. So we will go to C drive, YouTube, we will see that. This is the demo project one, the folder which the Angular is created. And here you can see there are a lot of different files and folders available. So if you see this, there is a first file .git file. This file is basically used to configure this project with a git. And the very important file is here is angular.json and package.json. So what is the meaning of both these files? And package.json. So first of all, we will start this project in our Visual Studio Code. So now I will click on file. It's loading. Okay, now I will click on file, open folder. So I'll click on this demo project one. So this project folder is selected. Now I'll click on select folder. Okay, so now our Visual Studio is started. So first of all, we will see what is this package.json file. Basically, this package.json file is a file where we manage all our dependency which is used in our project. Like you can see here, dependencies and dev dependencies, two uh, attributes are present. Okay, so now this all are dependencies which is present in our project. So how we can see that where it is present? So whenever you will write any dependency name and version, this is the dependency name and this is the dependency version. Whenever you write any dependency name, so whenever we install this package or JSON file, it will create a folder and install all the dependencies under this node modules folder. You can see inside this all dependencies are present. Okay, now we will see how to install Bootstrap in our Angular project. So first we will go to our website, Bootstrap website. We will go to our home page and then we scroll down and see that installation, they are telling that to do something like npm install Bootstrap. So we will copy this and we will go to our command prompt. Here we will write, paste it, and when we do enter, this will npm will install this Bootstrap package in our demo project. So this will install, Bootstrap is installed under the node modules folder. So but we need that it should save that dependency in this file also. So what we will do is we will just write dash dash save. So this will npm will install Bootstrap and save this dependency name and version in this package.json file. So when we click enter, so now it started installing this Bootstrap in our project. So now we see that Bootstrap 4.4.4 is installed in our project. We can see here. So this is the package name and this is the version. If you want to see this package inside the node modules, we can go inside this folder. Like if we can go here and we will type Bootstrap. See, you can see here Bootstrap. And we already know that Bootstrap requires jQuery package also. So you can see that it requires some jQuery package also. So we need to install jQuery also. So we can write npm install jQuery and save. This will npm will install this jQuery package and it will update the package.json file also. So we will do enter. After that, it will start installing jQuery. So now it installed the jQuery package. So this is the version 3.5.0. We can check once jQuery. So it's present in this node modules folder. So from this jQuery package, we need one file that is the jQuery.min.js. And from Bootstrap, we need two files. One from the CSS file which is present in the CSS folder, that is a bootstrap.min.css, and one we need from the JS folder, that is a bootstrap.min.js file. These two files we need. So I already noted down this for path where this file is present. You can see node module bootstrap test.js, this file, and same for this, and same for jQuery. So now what we will do is we have another important file that is called as angular.json files. Here we need to maintain all the dependencies of JS and CSS files. So in the style, we will write all the CSS file path. So we will write here this CSS file path. After that, in the script tag, we will write our both these files inside the double quote separated by the comma. So now this is done. We have added. Finally, our Bootstrap installation is done. Now we can verify. So where we start writing our code. First of all, we will start our project. So to start the project, we will type ng serve. This is the command to start the project, Angular project. So now this is starting. So now it is asking Google under Google's privacy policy, something it is asking. So we can say no. Now it will start compiling the project and start the project. You can see it started compiling all the dependencies. We are using Angular 9. This is the very latest version of Angular, and Bootstrap 4. That is also very latest. Now I started building. Okay, now it is saying that Angular project is successfully compiled and Angular Live Development Server is listening on localhost 4200. Open your browser on localhost 4200. Now we will start, open our new tab, and here we will type localhost 4200. Now you can see that one web page appears here. So this is what the first time it is showing like this. So it means that the first page, this all markups are written in the first page. So we will first understand what are the directory structure of this. Now, another most important folder is src. Inside this src, we have the important file index, which is the entry point of this project. So all project index is the entry point. So after that, there are the assets folder. Here we can keep our all images, icons. We have an environments folder. So this we will see later. We have another app folder. Here we will go inside this app folder, and now we can see that we have a CSS file, we have HTML file, specs.ts file, ts file, module.ts file, and routing.ts file. So we will understand all this file later. So first we will start with this app.component.html file. This, when we open this file in our browser, we can see that all these codes are written. This is the only HTML file present in this folder, app folder. So we will just delete all the codes and we will save it. And after that, we run in the browser. Now we see that it's loading. Okay, now it's compiled successfully, and now there is nothing in the page. So first of all, I'll start writing some bootstrap codes. First, I will create one. I will explain this code later. Just I'm just trying to test the bootstrap code. I'll just paste some. Okay, I will just go to the example, and here we will open this tab, album, and we will copy this complete. So from after body tag, I will copy all the codes till footer, and I will paste here. Now we can see in our browser that, so you can see that Bootstrap is working fine. It looks same. This both web page looks same. So now we know that our Bootstrap and Bootstrap is installed in our Angular project. Next, we will see in our next lecture. So please like and subscribe our page, our video.